Last year, we discussed about a beautiful chapter called probability. And you have been learning probability for over 2 or 3 years. If you remember, since ninth standard, you have this topic of probability, correct? So ninth, 10th, 11th, and this year also you guys are going to learn about probability. See, whenever we have probability, again I'm telling you, it's basically chance, correct? But this year, it's not just about the chance. You guys are going to learn a lot more mathematical part. So this is where you're introduced to the first concept called as conditional probability. All right. So in this particular topic in conditional probability, you will learn what is the probability of one event occurring if some other event is going to happen. Okay, you're introduced to this topic. Fine. After conditional probability, you have different types of conditions are there, and your different properties are there. Then you have multiplication theorem of probability. All right. Then you have independent events. Like what are independent events? Mathematically, you guys will understand what it is. All right. Then once you understand this one, a very important part of probability, that is Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem is one of the most used probability theorem, like in almost every situation and every field, I would say. Economics you take, or if you want to understand about genetics, you can take that, or anything. All right, so it is applied in a wide variety of fields, and you guys will learn about Bayes theorem. Fine. And you have a lot of other examples and applications of Bayes theorem too. That is in total probability. How do you calculate it? So based on all these things, you guys are going to learn about Bayes theorem. Fine. So these are certain topics what you have in this year's probability.